This video is instruction for how to do 1-digit by 3-digit multiplication. It's the exact same process as you do for 1-digit by 2-digit multiplication, but we have another digit, so we're just going to keep multiplying. So as a reminder, you always start in the ones column. So you always start here or here or here. And this is the standard algorithm, which means this is kind of the normal way of doing things, the traditional way. All right, so we're going to begin right here. 7 times 1. 7 times 1 is 7. And I want to undo that because I don't want to have the underline button on. So 7 times 1 is 7. And then we're going to multiply by the tens digit. 7 times 3, that is 21. Now, you would normally write 21 like this. So we want to write down the number in the ones column first. So we're going to write the 1 here, and we're going to carry the 2 up here. Now, I'm just going to go in here and make sure that these numbers line up with the numbers above them. So you can see that 21 is still written with the 2 in front of the 1. They're just spread out. So I'm going to erase this down here. And then finally we're going to say 7 times 2, which is 14, and then we add that to 15, 16. So we'll put the 6 down. Oops, I did not mean to do that. And then we'll put the 1. And then I'm going to want to backspace that a little bit. So our final answer is 1,617. All right, and just for the sake of keeping things lined up, I'm going to move this stuff over because when you write it down on your paper, you want to line up the ones in the ones column, the tens in the tens column, hundreds in the hundreds column, and thousands in the thousands column. It's a little bit trickier to do that in typing, but it's important to keep those things nice and even because later on when you do some more adding with this, you want to keep everything lined up. Now we have 135 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. So we are going to put down the 0 and we are going to carry the 2. And next we're going to do 4 times 3, which is 12, plus this 2, 13, 14. I'm going to put the 4 right here and carry the 1 right here. And then we are going to multiply the 4 times this 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So your final answer is 540. Now we're going to multiply here. This has a 0 in it. We multiply 0 the standard way, but occasionally zeros present some challenges for fourth graders. 8 times 3, that is 24. So we're going to put the 4 right here, and we are going to carry the 2 right here. And then we're going to say 8 times 0, which is 0. And then add the 2. So we end up with a 2 right here. And next, we're going to say 8 times 6. And 8 times 6 is 48. So it's going to look like this, 48. So our final answer is 4,824. So that's how you multiply one digit by three digits. Remember to always start in the ones column. Remember to carry if necessary, and then you add the number that you carried. All right.